what is your stock pick today? Where are you seeing opportunity?
I'm going to go with Alphabet, but Alphabet with some gold protection. So
Okay.
I do think that investors should seek phased-in entries in the stocks that they want to based on forward earnings expectations, and Alphabet fits that description for me. But due to the elevated levels of uncertainty and the volatility in the market, it's prudent to hedge your positions now with gold exposure via ETFs or gold miners. And I do think that Alphabet will continue to benefit from attractive growth prospects for AI, and the forward PE has come down to 17.46. So obviously the forward-looking statements will be closely monitored for possible changes in commitments to capital expenditure, but the company has recently reaffirmed that they remain committed of capex of $75 billion for 2025.
Aniki, thanks so much for your time and just taking us through the day's trade. That was Aniki van Rooyen from Regina Business School.